Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
This week's economic calendar is filled with a range of impactful data releases. Market participants should focus on major announcements that may lead to volatility and potential adjustments in trading strategies. These upcoming releases could bring clarity or surprises to market expectations. Being alert and ready to act can make navigating this period smoother.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Tesla reported record third-quarter revenue, beating Wall Street estimates, driven by the highest quarterly sales of its electric vehicles as car buyers rushed to lock in a key U.S. tax credit ahead of its expiry last month. Gold prices fell to a near two-week low, following their sharpest single-day drop in 5 years in the previous session, as investors booked profits ahead of key U.S. inflation data due this week. Hong Kong approved its first spot Solana ETF, marking the third spot crypto ETF approved by the city after Bitcoin and Ethereum. The Hong Kong SFC granted approval for the China Asset Management Solana ETF, which will be listed on the Hong Kong Stock Exchange.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The Bitcoin dollar pair fell 0.5% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The euro-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The pound-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. The Aussie-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.